Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is a Thursday afternoon. I am currently working. I'm just vlogging what I'm doing today, which is absolutely nothing, but I'm gonna actually put some clips in this video of what Kyle and I did before the new year, which was was it the 31st? I think it was the 31st. We went to a car show in San Diego, and it showed all the new vehicles, all the new 2024 vehicles that have not been released, and it was all in just one big conference room. What is it called? Convention center. It was in one big convention center. It was pretty cool. There's some cool cars, so I'll put some clips of the cars that I saw. Did go to the mall as well. Kyle got me my new shoes that I've been wanting to go work out in, and he got them for me for Christmas, but they didn't fit, so we had to go exchange those. But let me show you the shoes because I got them exchanged. Okay, so here are the shoes. They're the On Cloud, what are these called? On Cloud Novas. I usually go for a white shoe, and of course I got the white. So I picked these out, and Kyle was so kind to get them for me. So these are it. They're so comfortable. I actually really love the fit, and they're obviously so cute. They'll go with any athleisure outfit, of course. And I mean, I'm serious. I even went and got new white Vans because my other ones were messed up. Well, not messed up, they were just really dirty. So I love my white shoes. I got a package in the mail while we were in New Mexico. I ordered some stuff from Buffbunny. I've never purchased from them, so this is gonna be a first impression, first initial thoughts, review, whatever. So I had been eyeing their legacy leggings. I know they're so popular, so I got the black pair of leggings. Let's see. Very nice, brushed, stretchy. These look really nice. Ours are so cute too. Look at that. I'm pretty sure these are recyclable. They look like it, at least. And then I got the reversible sports bra in onyx black and white. This bra can be worn either black side or in the white side, so it's like a 2-in-1. So of course I got it. And yeah, look at that. That is cute. It's just a simple black and white bra, so it's reversible, of course. You can wear it on the black side or the white side. Last thing I got is the same reversible bra, right? Reversible bra, yeah. And this is in the color Miami Vice and Miami Bossy print. And so it's the pink bra with the bossy print on the inside, which could be also worn as the outside. And it's such a pretty vibrant pink. I wanted to get the legacy shorts in this color, but it sold out before I could get it. But now that I think about it, this is kind of a pretty bright pink, and I don't know if I'm a bold type person. I usually just wear black, so that would be a little much for me, I think. So I don't know. For now, I just have the sports bra, which is super cute. So technically I paid for 2 bras and I got 4, if you think about it. So go math. We're gonna go see what my daughter is doing and what my husband's doing. Let's go. Hi, Lily. What are you doing? Hola, amorcito. Hola. Princess. Princess, excuse me. We're gonna go on a walk, and it's currently a little cold. I get really cold, so my daughter needs to change into something warm. These are the options we have for her, but we're gonna go with this one. Little onesie.
Oh my god. It is not that cold outside. It's like 60 degrees.
It's cold. Gonna be nice and warm. Nice and warm. Nice and warm.
I'm walking in shorts.
Nice and warm. Nice and warm. Princess. Mira, bonbon. Wow.
Oh, jump on me. Cute dog.
Oh my goodness. Oh god, our bed is all nasty.
Dude, she looks like an Ewok.
Wow! Look at this! Princess! Wow!
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty and the mundane.
Look at this.
And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh,
Lily, ready? Okay.
dreamy, breezy we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
Alright, this was Andrea's workout. I don't know how the camera shows it, but this is a pretty steep hill. Here she goes. I told her she's got to push her up. How do you feel? Oh, you're being a little more strong with the camera on, huh? Oh, there we go. I knew it. I knew we were up for a break. And Lily's loving it though.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh! Whoa! Ooh, I love the color.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond a bigger scale, the world in hand.
Okay, so we are building her high chair, we'll call this, because we're about to give her solids, or we're gonna start giving her solids. So here's the high chair. I had it in my Amazon registry, and my lovely brother got it for us, and I'm really excited to have it built. So cute. Look at that, so plushy. It's like a faux leather, obviously. It's got some wood accents. I think it's a pretty Nice high
I
chair.
think it's bougie. Look at this.
It's cute.
Leather.
I think it's cute. Hey guys, so it is Saturday, January 6th, 1 p.m. It's pretty late. I'm not ready. My daughter had a blowout, so Kyle is bathing her right now and I'm getting ready to go. The plan was to just get ready to go, but then she had a blowout, so we had to bathe her because it was pretty bad. But I'm gonna get dressed and I wanted to actually try on the Buffbunny stuff that I purchased and showed earlier. So I'm gonna try these on. I might actually wear the leggings. So let's try it on and see how it looks. All right, so I have the outfit on. Let me show you this way. I decided to wear the bra on the bossy print side. And this is what it looks like. So this is the bossy convertible, or what is it called? Reversible. So this is the reversible sports bra in the bossy print, and then the other side is just a solid pink. And then here are the legacy leggings, and they're a really good black pair of leggings. I have so many black leggings, but these are really soft. They're pretty brushed, really brushed material, and they actually don't feel like you even have anything on, so I really like them. And yeah, this is the outfit with the pink bra. Oh, and the bra fits pretty good. I'm a size small, or I'm in a size small, and I think I wouldn't size up or down. I was worried about the top being too big, but, or like not big, but you know, when it kind of like opens up at the top, but it doesn't, it stays flat. And then the back, here's the back. There is no adjustable straps, but it's really comfortable. Here's the pink with the black, and then I'm gonna actually put on the black and white bra. And this is the black and white reversible bra, and I just love the contrast between the white and the black. I think it's so cute. Obviously the other side would just be black on black, but I love the white with the black straps. I think it's so cute. But this is what the outfit looks like with the leggings. These are the, again, legacy leggings, size small, and the sports bra in a size small as well. And then again, here's the back. No adjustable straps at all, but I think just sticking to your true size, and if you're in between, size up, because it is pretty snug. So not snug in an uncomfortable way, but it fits just right. So definitely size up if you're in between. And I forgot to mention, but this bra does not have removable padding, so it actually doesn't even have padding. Yeah, it doesn't. So it's just double lined, which I think is perfectly fine. So no padding, and then there's no like insert to add a pad or anything, but just wanted to point that out. All right, so we're gonna go grocery shopping, and I literally just, my hair is dirty, so I need to wash my hair tonight. But this shirt is from Gymshark, and I think it's the Rest collection shirt. I'm not quite sure, but just gonna wear this grocery shopping and with my legacy leggings because they're so comfortable. So I'm just gonna wear that, and then I'm gonna throw on my sweater here, my cropped sweater from Pursue Fitness. So we're gonna go grocery shopping and come back home, watch some NFL, and probably call it a day. Not much going on around here.